Hey everyone and welcome back to CryptoScores. Today we are looking at a critical tokenomics indicator, the percentage already distributed. This one tells you how much of a project's total token supply is already in circulation, so let's get into it. This metric compares the circulating supply to the total supply. The total supply includes tokens that are currently locked or subject to vesting schedules, meaning they exist but haven't been released to the market yet. Why does this matter? Because every token that hasn't been distributed yet is a potential source of future selling pressure. When those locked tokens eventually unlock, they enter the market and can dilute the value of the tokens you are already holding. So the higher the percentage already distributed, the less dilution risk you are facing. Let's take a look at AAV as an example. With a perfect score in tokenomics, 100 over 100. When you scroll down, you can see the percentage already distributed, 96%, highlighted in green. That means almost the entire supply is already out there. There is very little left to unlock. As an investor, you have excellent visibility on what the circulating supply looks like, and the dilution risk ahead is minimal. You can click to the number and go directly to CoinMarketCap and verify the supply data yourself. Now let's take a look at Arbitrum. With a tokenomics score of only 39 over 100, there is some risk apparently, so let's break it down, and the percentage already distributed, 47% only. So not in green, not in red, transparent. That means less than half the total supply is currently in circulation. There is still a significant amount of tokens scheduled to be released over time. That's not necessarily bad. Arbitrum is a good project with an active vesting schedule, but it does mean you need to factor in the future dilution when evaluating the token as its current price. You can click through to CryptoRank to see the full vesting case schedule and understand exactly when those tokens are set to unlock. And then we have Chronos with a tokenomics score of 27 over 100. We understand that we have some problem already, and the percentage distributed is in red, 45% only, less than the half of the supply is distributed, and at this level, the indicator is flagging a real concern. A large portion of tokens is still locked and will eventually hit the market, creating significant dilution pressure. When you see a red flag here, it doesn't mean the project is bad, but it means you need to understand the unlock schedule before investing. How much is coming, when, and does the project generate enough demand to absorb that new supply? The key resource here is the vesting schedule. Click the number on CryptoScores to go directly to CryptoRank or Drops tab to see the full timeline and upcoming unlocks. That's where the real picture becomes clear. Understanding how much supply is left to distribute is fundamental to evaluating any token. Head over to cryptoscores.com and we will see you there in the next one.